So self-service is very important to insurance organisations, particularly here in Asia. The main reason is that we want to give people, our customers, an omni-channel experience. So they have convenience of when they decide to interact with us. So if they want to do that when they're talking to an agent, or when they're at home on their iPad and they want to review their policies or their performance of their policies. So we are using self-service to give our customers a better experience and an omni-channel experience. I wouldn't pick a particular company, but in terms of experience when you're buying consumer goods, your ability, let's say for an Amazon or an eBay or a Alibaba type experience where you can log on and you can see on your mobile, you get updates on your shipping progress of a product, you can browse a whole catalogue of products, you can zoom in, you can see all the features. These are the type of services that I can purchase at the speed and that I want to, and I can challenge, I can raise a query on a product and get instant feedback or chatbot experience. This is what insurance needs to move towards. AXA is going omni-channel approach, primarily because we have here in Asia, our bank assurance business is still our driving force for our through our leads and sales, as well as we have a very large agency workforce. By having mobile and e-commerce channels, they're complementary to our existing offers through relationships through brokers or through bank assurance partners. Particularly when buying something as expensive as life insurance, which is a high value product, which are complex. Sometimes customers require the need to have advice before they are purchased. And this is where agents, brokers, bank assurance partners come in and play. So our AXA's approach is primarily an omni-channel. We give you all the offerings and it's up to the consumer to have the choice of which channel they use. Now, I think if you see nearly all our main competitors in the insurance sector, everyone is talking about customer first or customer health or customer service provision, and the customer is at the core or at the heart of their organisations. We've historically been very much product-driven companies. We think of insurance products, whereas now we are very much focused, and the whole sector is focused on customer experience. But we've also taken it a lot from how we see other big financial service companies, especially from China, the way they interact with their customers, and they're much more customer-centric, customer-focused, what the customer needs rather than the product they're trying to sell. Typically works in areas in insurance. It covers in probably 2 or 3 areas. When it's a very simple product to be purchased and it doesn't require advisory sale. So for example, buying travel insurance, quite a simple product. You choose, you can consume when you want. The other area, so simple products are very easy to do through a self-service process. The other angle is around claims and claim management. So here we want people to be able to notify immediately when they've had a claim, and they do what we call first notification of loss. And they use a mobile phone to send a picture of the crash or the damage on their car. These are areas. The other angle of why self-service is important is because our administrative costs are high, and to reduce our administrative costs we allow customers to do things. So for example, update their address. The number of calls that come into our contact centres just to change address or to change very basic things, change date of birth or incorrect data. If we can allow these elements, and some we need obviously to reprice policies, but a lot of our factors such as changing your address shouldn't make any difference to a policy, and therefore those kind of features, we want people to be able to do that themselves. Like most organisations, we look at the return on investment and where is the right place to invest in this. We also look at what our competitors are doing and where technology and innovation is leading us and where we need to be. So a bit of forward-looking view on some aspects. Some aspects are around we have to provide that in the marketplace. So for example, all hotels have Wi-Fi now because it's a given as a product. So insurance needs to do the same, that a person can contact you through a website and have real interactions with a person. So there are some services which are just core that we need to provide, some which our competitors are leading and we're following behind, and some that we have a lot of innovation that we look at to be first to market. And it's becoming more prevalent with insurtech and fintech.